Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. First, I am going to tell you about the pieces of the Rubik's Cube. These are the edges, these are the corners, and these are the middle pieces. First step, white cross. First, you need to get 4 white edges to the top layer around the yellow middle piece. In this scramble, I got 1 already. I need to get the other 3. Like this. If you want to get it to the top layer, turn it. When you see a white edge like this, you can get it to the top layer like this. But it will remove the other white edge. Instead, you need to turn the top layer and get it to the top layer. If you get this like this, you get a flipped white edge. Instead, you need to get it to the right. Turn the front to the right and turn the top layer anti-clockwise and get that white edge to the top layer. Second, you need to match the middle pieces with the white and the color like this and get it to the bottom layer like this and do the same thing to the other 3 edges. When you turning, you need to turn the both layers, the bottom layer and the middle layer. And the white cross is solved. The second step is the first layer. In this step, you need to learn an algorithm. It is right side clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, and the top layer anti-clockwise. If you want to be fast at solving the Rubik's Cube, practice this algorithm. It will be helpful. So in this step, you need to identify corner pieces according to their colors. If a corner piece has white on it like this, it should in the bottom layer. When you locate a corner piece with the white color, you need to get to the top of their corresponding spot like this. And if you have the white color in front, you need to do that algorithm 5 times like this. And the corner is in the bottom layer and the colors are matching. And do the same thing to the other 3 corners. When you locate the corner piece with the white color, if you have the white color in your right hand side, you need to do the algorithm only 1 time like this. And the corner is in the right place. And do the same thing to the other 2 corners. Locate the corner with the white color and if you have white on top, you need to do it 3 times. If you have white in front of, first you need to get to the top of their corresponding port. If you have white in front, you need to do the algorithm 5 times. Now the first layer is solved. Sometimes if you search the corner with the white color but you can't find it, surely it is at the bottom layer. You need to get it to the top layer first. And in this case you need to get it top to the corresponding spot, and in this case you need to do only one of the righty algorithm. And the first layer is solved. Now the example solved. First, you need to locate the corners with the white color and get top to their corresponding spot, like this. And you need, if you have the white color in your right hand side, you need to do the algorithm 1 time. Locate the corner with the white color and get it to the corresponding spot. If you have white in the right hand side, you need to do it only 1 time. Locate the corner with the white color and get it to the top to the corresponding port. And do the algorithm. If you have the white color in the top, you need to do the algorithm 3 times. Locate the corner with the white color and get it to the top to the corresponding spot. And if you have white on top, you need to do the algorithm 3 times, like this. The third step, the second layer. In this step, you will be solving this layer. In this step, you need to learn a new algorithm. It is the complete opposite of the previous algorithm. It is left side anti-clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, left side clockwise, top layer clockwise. In this step, you need to locate edges without the color yellow, like this edge. If you locate one, the color of the edge facing you needs to match with the middle piece, like this. And it is want to go to the left side, you need to get it to the opposite side by turning the top layer, like this. And because the corner needs to go to the left side, you need to do the lefty algorithm, the algorithm that I just teach you. Because I did the lefty algorithm, I need to turn the cube to the left side and do the righty algorithm. And the edge will be in the right spot. Do it to the other 3 edges. In this case, there aren't any edges without the color yellow on the top layer. You need to get the edges from the middle layer, the second layer. Like this. Do the algorithm that we do to put the corner to the right spot. Like this. Do the lefty algorithm, and because we did the lefty algorithm, turn the cube to the left and do the righty algorithm. And the edge will be in the top layer. And we need to match the facing color with the middle piece, like this. Because it needs to go to the left side, we need to get it to the opposite side. Because it needs to go to the left side, we want to do the lefty algorithm. Because we did the lefty algorithm, we want to rotate the cube to the left side and do the righty algorithm. And the edge will be in the right spot. Because this we want to match it first. Because it needs to go to the left side, we need to get it to the opposite. And because it needs to go to the left side, do the lefty algorithm. Because we did the lefty algorithm, we want to rotate the cube to the left side and do the righty algorithm. And the edge will be in the right spot. In this case, there aren't any edge without the color yellow. In this case, the edge is in the right spot, but it's flipped. We need to get it out first. Like this. Do the lefty algorithm. And because we did the lefty algorithm, turn the cube to the left and do the righty algorithm. And the edge will be in the top layer. In this case, it wants to go to the left side. Because it wants to go to the left side, get it to the opposite side and do the lefty algorithm. Because it wants to go to the left. And turn the cube to the left side and do the righty algorithm. Sometimes the edge needs to go to the right side. Because it needs to go to the right side, get it to the opposite side by rotating the top layer. Because it needs to go to the right side, do the righty algorithm. Because we did the righty algorithm, we want to rotate the cube to the right and do the lefty algorithm. You might see a pattern in this step. And the second layer is solved. Fourth step, the last layer. First, you need to make a cross in the top layer. There can be three cases. Dot, L, line. When you have the dot case, you need to do this algorithm. The front layer clockwise and do the righty algorithm. And you will get a L. You need to rotate the cube like this and get the L like this and do the same algorithm. Then you will get a line. If you get a line, you can do the algorithm this like this or this. And the cross will be solved. Second, you need to match the cross colors with the middle piece. Rotate the top layer to see how many colors can you match. There are always be two colors matching. In this case, I have matched them like a L. The other two are not matching. There are also another case. It's when colors matching like a line. In these cases, you need to learn a new algorithm. It is right side clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side clockwise, and top layer anti-clockwise twice, and the right side anti-clockwise. And you see the colors matching like a L. Sometimes you have already got matched like a L. When you get the L, you want to place it in the back right. And you need to do the soon algorithm. Right side clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side clockwise, and top layer anti-clockwise twice, and right side anti-clockwise. And rotate the top layer. And all the colors are matching. Sometimes you already there are matching the colors. Third, you need to get the corners to their right place. You need to learn a new algorithm in this step. It called Nicholas. It is right side clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, and the left layer clockwise. There can be two cases in this step. First, sometimes there are any corners in the right place. In this case, you can do the algorithm on any side. Right side clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, and the left side clockwise, and rotate the top layer. And locate the piece that is in the right place. This corner is in the right place. When you have a corner in the right place, you need to put the corner in the front left and do the Nicholas algorithm. Right side clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, top layer clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, top layer anti-clockwise, left side clockwise, and rotate the top layer. And you see all the corners are in the right place. Now you can rotate the cube upside down and do write the algorithm continuously to solve the cube like this. When you see the yellow side facing down, turn the bottom layer to get the corners to the place that we do the right algorithm, and do the same thing to that corner. And the cube is solved. Sometimes when you get one corner in the right place, when you do the Nicholas algorithm, but nothing has happened, you need to do it again. And in this case, the cube has solved.